Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and we're going to do a little bit of shooting with a 45 today. So, got a 5-round magazine, because this mag and this gun really aren't meant for more than 5, and I don't really need my ears either, so we'll just put those away. It's much nicer shooting without ears when you have suppressed weapons. This is a Valkyrie Arms reproduction of a DeLisle Carbine. I have a couple videos on the original DeLisles, but they're basically all in museums and you can't shoot them. So instead, we have a reproduction to actually do some shooting with. This has a live, legit suppressor on it. Valkyrie made these, and a few other people have made reproductions of these as well. Often they're made with dummy suppressors because you have to register them. In this case, we have a live suppressor on here. So we can actually get some idea of how this would have sounded in real life. Now, DeLisles were always fairly finicky guns. They always had ejection issues. Just kind of went with the, that was what you get when you try to convert a long bolt action rifle into a short pistol caliber carbine. So we've got some plates about 15 yards, which should be very easy to hit. What's really cool is the sound of the bullet impacting the plate is substantially louder than the sound of the shot. And 5 rounds and I'm out. This one actually works really quite well, better than some of the reports I've heard about the originals. Give myself actually just one more round here to get that last plate. Actually, one of the interesting details on the original guns, they actually put a little piece of rubber on the bottom of the bolt handle so that when you closed the bolt, you wouldn't get a metallic smack of the bolt handle hitting the receiver socket. Recoil, as you might expect, is negligible because it's a big old heavy carbine shooting single shot 45. This is really cool. Oh, I messed it up. Just trying to look cool. So if you don't cycle it quite right, you can eject a live round out the top. Yeah, this is a very pleasant gun to shoot. So, all right, I'm gonna give myself one last chance to make a clean run on the plate rack. I've got 6 rounds, 6 plates. Well, it's a very cool gun. You can certainly... Damn. Tried to use the phone call to cover reloading and doing another one, and then I missed again. All right. I can certainly understand commandos really liking these things. I can also understand the British deciding not to manufacture all that many of them because they really are handmade guns and they do have some operational issues. But very cool guns, and it's very cool that Valkyrie made a run of reproductions, and there, like I said, there are some other people who've done them as well, because they're a really neat gun for someone who's interested in both history and actually shooting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.